everyone, this is Asha Neog. Welcome back to my channel ENG Creations. I am back with one bottle decor tutorial. For that I am taking one big bottle and we need some white glue, some rice. Okay friends, this is how our bottle looks like. So let this dry completely, then only we'll go for the next step. I will just keep it aside. I have one more bottle, same method I have used. So I will show you the next step in this bottle. Okay friends, I am going to use one copper metallic color, one sponge. This bottle is done, so I will show you this bottle. For this I need one golden color and one flat brush. Okay friends, I am done with both the bottles. I have used metallic colors. If you want, you can use other plain colors also, anything of your choice. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you will get the notification. Well, that's it for today. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. Till then, take care and bye-bye.